Hence I go. Moonlight, she's deviated from her path.
Great Titaness, the Eye of Night, I draw you down. Lend me your might.
Good evening to you, little star. Our cycles now are intertwined, as I no longer can afford merely to watch. Whichever threat we face, I vow to shine for you. Your choice? Lunar Ray.
Together we shine.
Together we shine.
Seleni's moonlight shine on you, eh? I'll not deny it has a certain power and allure, but such a cold and distant light next to a scorching flame? There's no comparison.
Lord Charon will want this. Some bones for later use.
Dye the silk and load it. Spinning, spinning goes the thread. Warp and waft. Cut it up and fold it. And again. Oh! What are you doing here? Besides tramping all over my webs, that is. Oh, it's nothing, silly. I can always make more perfectly good silk. I can't always see you.
Hi, Arachne. Sorry about all this. I think we'll soon be seeing more of one another now. My task has begun.
Truly. Why then, I'll get out of your hair. You have to go. But first, you have to try on one of these. And don't worry about any wear and tear. I've plenty more in stock. Do you like it?
Why, this is beautiful, thank you.
Like a warm embrace. Fine work there. To your success.
That gloom, a shadow spiller. In the name of Hades.
Such deep, impenetrable gloom surrounds the Underworld Princess that not even her infernal eye can easily discern what horrors lie therein.
If I can't see into the shadows, I'll cut through. My silk. Arachne? Ooh. Bones for the broker. Soul tonic. Molly. I'm grateful, Daedalus.
Ahead, the Underworld Princess shall again confront the one who raised her, and taught to her the means by which she may prevail.
There's always more to learn.
There you are.
I'll get him, Headmistress. I swear it. All that you've taught, I'll bring to bear. And no matter the obstacles that stand in the way, Kronos shall fall by my hand.
I require no convincing, Malinoe, although perhaps you do. However much I've taught, what's important is you're a capable student.
I have to be more than that.
3 against 1. Selene tests your will. Now beware. We are 3. That never used to miss. You fought with diligence and with ferocity, but surely there is more for you to learn beyond this threshold.
I look forward to it, Headmistress. What about you? Can you not join me?
No, I dare not stray too far from our abode. Continue now your task. I shall await your safe return.
Thank you, Headmistress. Cinder.
The fire-stepping princess stands alone.
Beginning descent. That singing. Come on. Lurkers. Done here. My reagent sensing incantation took effect.
Even the faintest river current in the underworld bears willingly the boatman of the dead, wheresoever he may please.
I'm grateful he made the trip.
No sign of Hermes yet, my lord. Forgive my impatience. I know infiltrating our enemy's ranks and discovering the details of his plans to conquer Olympus is sensitive work. Of course. He'll be back any evening now, I'm sure.
Whew, good.
That boatman's good at taking messages, isn't he? Almost like taking corpses down into the underworld like he used to. Nothing to do for those these days. Except to burn.
Fired up. You ought to have stayed below. Stick to the seas, Nick.
Where are you, niece? The bottom of the sea? Or very close to it? Must be even darker than what you're accustomed to. And the terrible pressure. Not even I can stand it for too long. So how can you?
Farther than before. Serpents.
first told me your tale, I figured it was just one of her pranks. Taking on the Titan yourself, come on. But it did sound like something a vengeful child of Hades might attempt.
Adequate. Jump. Pinheads. Some limestone. I think not. Olympus, I accept this message. The tides come in.
An ever-present song compels the nightmare, bringing Princess ever forward, towards the beauty, deeper into the abyss.
It's very pretty. Farewell, Lord Charon.
Oh. Oh, no way. No way. Look at Gal's a lady. Ladies never come to see our shows. You must be different. What's your name? Oh, make yourself comfy. We're just about to start, aren't we, Gals?
Sirens. I should have known you were the source of all that singing. Slinked down into the underworld, have you?
It's the perfect pressure down here. Beats the pressure trying to make art while all our fans are watching, begging, Skilla, where's your next song?
Don't you drown your so-called fans to death? Have you even got any left?
Oh, don't ever say such things about our fans. Oh, hey, gals, what say we give her the old song and dance? We're Skilla and the Sirens! Drown, drown. Save your breath, 'cause tonight you're gonna Jenny, go! Pixie, no! No! Thank you, Oceanus!
Found you at last. Princess of the Underworld. I regret having to contact you at such a time. It's not my custom to intervene during moments of doom, only to observe.
Moments of doom. You're Lord Moros, emissary of the Three Fates. So your sisters heard me after all.
They expected me to find you, for there's something they intend for you to have. Wherever you're going, look for it when you arrive. I'm uncertain if we'll meet again. Farewell. It's been an honor.
Wait. He's gone. I just met Doom Incarnate, Phrynos. I'm not sure I should be excited about that. You there, Dora? Is that... This is from the Three Fates. Prophecy fulfilled. Another prophecy fulfilled.
Rise and shine. The Fates indulged you after all. That is their scroll beside your tent. It followed you out of the shadows. Perhaps it can provide some answers.
Would that it does. The fated list has tasked me with ensuring certain minor prophecies are fulfilled, though says little else as yet.
May it reward your efforts at least. But do not expect the Fates to always favor you. The bane of our enemy is not necessarily our friend.
We'll have to take our chances. The Arms of Night seek something more from me. Great Tree of Life, please listen to my thoughts.
You've done it.
Broker, you've expanded your shop. Could make a lovely gift. By moonlight and the dust of ancient bone, awaken in this cauldron the unknown.
Your will is done.
So mote it be. Must be an incantation that can help. By light of moon, together let us shape reality.
Interesting.
Such sorcery.
Nightshade seeds.
Greetings. How's life of late down at the bottom of the sea? All sorts of nastiness lurking there, that the reports make clear. I wager you've seen some things.
You'd win that wager handily. The worst of them has to be the sea monstrous called Skilla and a siren friends. They have this ridiculous act.
What, Skiller's still around? The sirens, no less? It's a wonder you made it back. Well, please tell me you didn't listen to a word they sang.
Oh, I heard an earful. You'll flourish here.
Plenty of room to grow.
Again, huh? Can't believe sucking up to the fates actually worked. That big scroll over there, that's really from them.
Personally delivered by Lord Moros, no less. He seemed a little pressed for time, so we didn't get to talk much. Are the two of you close?
We're children of Nyx. None of us are close. But we crossed paths. When certain mortals get what they deserve, it involves us both.
I can only imagine. What do I need? Fair trade. Be well. Headmistress, if it isn't inappropriate, I have a little gift, seeing as your personal supply ran out a while back.
Ah, the hounds shall lap this stuff right up, I think. I shall safeguard it for them as a treat. And why don't you hold on to this in kind?
Your silver wheel. I can have this? The silver pool. The Tablet of Peace. You are mine now.
A trusty tool indeed. I know the sound of that gate. Come here where these old eyes can see you. There's something up with those nocturnal arms of yours. A certain aura that's surrounding one of them. The Grave Thirst.
A relatively simple incantation. I expected there was more to the connection between Knight's weapons and the dead. No wonder you can see it too.
Come now. Not like I need eyes on the back of my cranium, but I can feel it in my bones. Want more bones yourself, just use a weapon with the thirst.
Whenever possible. Commander, though it falls to us to keep the old traditions alive, may you partake of this nectar, unburdened by the weight of its significance.
I'm most appreciative of both the offering and of the sentiment. And I summarily shall do my part. Behold, the luckiest of my possessions is in your possession now.
You honor me, Commander. My keepsakes.
Behold that heirloom storage case over there.
The silver wheel. Discura, the witch's staff. With me, my friend.